Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dan again from Crypto Camacho, and I'm super excited today, guys, to review a new trading platform. So most of you know I am a day trader, swing trader, investor in cryptocurrency. Today I want to review a new trading platform that is in development. It's called Signals.Network. It's a new trading platform that's going to be using machine learning and artificial intelligence to help you not only create successful trading models, but also to help you learn what others are doing and how others are trading to incorporate that into your trading model that you can create with this new platform. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to be a developer, which is the beauty of what Signals.Network is developing. So let's jump over it, guys, right now. So if you go to Signals.Network is the website. I'll put the link in the show notes here. But the website is Signals.Network. There is a token sale going on right now to raise money for this new artificial intelligence and machine learning trading platform. If you're a trader, an investor, a swing trader in cryptocurrencies, you're going to love this. I think this platform is going to be a game changer in a lot of ways. A lot of folks are exploring this type of thing, machine learning, artificial intelligence in stock market and or cryptocurrency trading. Really with any type of market trading, people are looking at machine learning to help them predict what the prices may be for a particular cryptocurrency or stock or market, right? And so that's what Signals.Network is doing. They're trying to create a platform like TradingView that offers not only kind of views and ways to manipulate and look at charts, but to actually build models based on machine learning and artificial intelligence to help you become a more successful trader and to gain more money or gain more profits on your investments, all right? So this ICO, I want to just very briefly touch on, and then I want to get into the meat of what the platform does. But the ICO has a target cap of 10,000 Ethereum tokens. They've raised 31.42% of their goal. Right now, there are 4 days left in this token sale, and I think that it's worth checking out because I think the platform will have potential. The platform itself already has more than 19,000 users. If you jump over to their Telegram channels and their Twitter channels, they're also getting a pretty good following. So 19,000 followers on Telegram. On Twitter, they have 25,000 followers. So there's clearly interest in this particular ICO. If we go over to Social Mention and just type in Signals.Network into the actual search of Social Mention, let's look at what the social sentiment would be for this particular ICO, right? I would imagine the social sentiment is going to be somewhat higher than usual. Yes, it is. We have 7% strength, 45% passion, and 4-to-1 social sentiment being positive. So the passion is very strong, right? Which means that the passion is the measure of the likelihood that individuals are talking about this, about the brand, and will do so repeatedly. So people are talking about Signals.Network, and people are looking to invest in it. So let's jump into the platform itself. Looks like they're going to be developing a pretty slick interface, which you can see kind of a glimpse of right here. It shows where you should buy and sell based on the model, the machine learning model that you're building. So what is Signals.Network, right? So Signals aims to disrupt the crypto trading industry by lowering the barrier to creating algorithmic trading models, even for users without any programming skills. Our mission is to open crypto trading to anyone by empowering users with smart tools for creating automated trading strategies. Signals is a playground for those who want to experiment with different training models and machine learning techniques, as well as building and optimizing strategies and sharing them with others, right? So this is very, very interesting, right? So they're going to enable non-technical developers, non-technical users like you and me, right? People that want to trade but don't necessarily have a technical or programming background. They want to enable users like that, like us, to be able to create machine learning and artificial intelligence models to do automatic trading through this platform itself, right? And what they also want to do is take the successful models from traders that really understand how to trade, that understand how to build models, and then to allow those users to share those models with anybody in the network on the ecosystem so that they can use, profit, and utilize those models as well. I think it's a very, very cool idea. TradingView does something similar, but they do not incorporate artificial intelligence and machine learning yet. So Signals.Network, I think, is doing a great job at doing that. They have a lot of reviews on a lot of different ICO type of review sites, so check that out right here. I think it's worth looking at. The white paper I'll get into in just a second. And then this is interesting. Why should you trust in machine learning and not your gut? So there's debate about this, right? Some traders think Absolutely not. They do not want to trust a machine or a computer to do trading for them. They'd like to see the action, see what's happening so they can make subjective decisions on their own. But I'm kind of mixed on my feelings here, right? Because I think machine learning is capable of doing things that humans are unable to do. I think in many cases they're smarter. They could do regression testing. They could do a lot of like statistical types of probabilistic testing and modeling that humans just can't easily do. So I think on the one hand, machine learning can be a very, very powerful way to trade as long as there's a human kind of behind it, making sure and validating that what it's doing is what it should be actually doing, right? Lightning speed decisions. So based on machine intelligence, the models that you build will be able to react and react quickly. How we want to revolutionize crypto trading. So what they want to do is they want to offer a service where you can build an artificial intelligence or machine learning model to trade with no programming skills at all. They want to leverage a decentralized supercomputer power by having their platform across a distributed network on a decentralized blockchain, which is what they're doing here, to tap into the power of all the computers on the network to offer a lightning quick service and a lightning quick platform that allows you to do this kind of thing. And then crowdsourced wisdom. The Signals platform gives you a chance to use indicators driven by main blockchain-based prediction market platforms, which generate powerful trading strategies augmented by crowdsourced wisdom. So not only is the machine learning going to take effect here, but the crowd is going to be able to weigh in on a particular machine learning model that's been built out. The crowd, the network, the ecosystem, the network is going to be able to decide whether or not a particular model is successful or not, right? So how does Signals work? This is kind of the 101 of how this platform actually works, right? And build algo trading models with no programming experience, right? So I've already kind of went through this. Even if you're not a data scientist, you can create models. You could then train your models before you even spend any money, right? So you can have a model, you could build a model, and then you could hypothetically put it on a market, on a cryptocurrency, and see how it would actually perform, right? Before you even put any money into it. Then, knowing that it performs, at a certain level that you want it to, then you can start putting money into the actual model to make money for you. They're going to be doing things like estimated profit, calculated risk based on the model dynamics. So this is super exciting as a trader. I would love to be able to build a model and then try out that model and train the model and then see how it would actually perform. That is awesome. I mean, that to me is a huge game changer, right? Because you can literally, tinker with a machine learning model until you hone it in or fine tune it to where you want for a particular cryptocurrency, right? Or a particular market. It doesn't have to be a broad reaching kind of AI. It could be an AI for a specific cryptocurrency or a specific market that you're interested in, and you could continually hone in and fine tune that the prediction capability to get to a point where it will be successful at predicting trades for you for that particular cryptocurrency, right? So very, very cool. Use your training model to generate profit, which is exactly what we have here. Got to turn up the heater here. It's getting a little bit cool in here, guys. All right. Okay, so share and monetize your trading strategy. So this is also very cool, right? So place your brand new trading model into the Signals marketplace so that anyone can pay you to copy and trade your strategy. So if I create successful models to trade on cryptocurrencies or crypto markets or whatnot, I could then essentially put those on the Signals.Network marketplace and resell that model to other people that may be interested in using that same model to profit the same way that I am from that model, right? That is awesome. I mean, they're creating this entire ecosystem around trading, around machine learning and artificial intelligence, and around crowd sharing, crowdsourcing, which I think awesome. I just am so excited for this platform to come out. I can't wait, really. I mean, just the product itself, I want to actually try. It gets me excited just thinking about the product. The team itself, very strong. Check them out. I'm not going to go through them, but they are PhDs. They know what they're doing in markets. They know what they're doing in prediction. They know what they're doing in technology. Just check it out. You're not going to be disappointed with the team. A lot of partners they're starting to align with, which is always very, very important. So the token sale has been started on March 12th. It goes for another few days, so get in on that as soon as you possibly can, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I am not a CPA. I'm not giving you financial advice, but I think the product, this product, Signals.Network, has potential. And when a product has potential, the price of the cryptocurrency associated with that product has potential too. This is what I see. This is why I am saying that. So let's jump over to the token sale right here real quick. How to buy SNG tokens. Start by registering by clicking this button. Check your registration status. You do need to sign up for KYC, know your customer. But once you do this, you just simply put in an ERC20 wallet, like a My Ethereum wallet address in here, and you can actually buy SGN tokens, right? There is a discount structure going on right now, 15% discount if you buy before the token sale ends. The token sale is set to 36 cents during the discount, so you can get in now and get the tokens for 36 cents, which I think is going to be a very, very good deal as the cryptocurrency markets grow and as this product grows. I think it's a very, very innovative product and platform, all right? So again, I'm not going to go through that too much. Check out the white paper, guys. Well-written white paper, 25 pages long, so it is a bit lengthy, but not too bad. Talks about a data marketplace, an indicators marketplace. It talks about the vision of the company, talks about how they're going to monetize and so forth. So one last thing I want to show here is that machine learning in the stock market, it is not new. It's something that's been around for a while, something that people have been trying to do for a long time. Just search on Google, machines learning stock market. You're going to come up with all different types of tutorials on how to use machine learning to create predictive models or algorithms to predict stock market prices based on different indicators. This is going to be irrelevant soon because you're not going to need to do that. You're only going to need to use the Signals.Network platform to do something like that without being a developer. And one thing that got me peeked in on this is I've been following this guy on Twitter. His name is Tensor Tom. Very, very cool what he's doing. He's actually built out, he's a computer scientist, he's a crypto trader, and he's built out an AI, which he calls Anna, to actually trade against Bitcoin, BTC. And it's really interesting to follow what Anna has been doing. And he talks about Anna in his tweets, as you can see here, and he talks about predictions that Anna is making. And it's very interesting to see what his AI is actually predicting and what he should do in the markets. And I think it's fascinating. I mean, you could go and look at him. His name's Tensor Tom. Just go to Twitter at Tensor Tom. So a little shout out for Tom there. But he's using AI to do predictions. And, you know, he's been relatively accurate many, many times. It's not foolproof. It's not bulletproof. But I just want to highlight the fact that there are people now developing models individually on their own that are developers or computer scientists because they see the power in machine learning and artificial intelligence and building algorithms to do the kind of the legwork to let you know when you should buy or sell a particular stock or cryptocurrency. So check that out. Thanks, Tom, for all you do if you watch this video. Again, guys, I'm Dan from CryptoCamacho.com. I hope you found this useful and helpful. Let me know what you think about Signals Network. I think it's going to be a game changer. Let me know if you think it's going to be a game changer. I'd love to know your thoughts on this and if you would use something like Signals. But I'm very bullish on Signals myself. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the little red button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys, and I'll be back tomorrow. See you guys.